Oh yeah, okay, it's going.
Wait, it is. I'm Taylor Ray, and this is Club Brain Dead.
Alright guys, we are headed to the track. Today is what's called a learner's day. So basically what it is an event, an entire event geared around beginners. So they can learn like some of the fundamental skills without having to fight for runtime in a busy event, if that makes sense. I really like this event because since it's so focused on beginners, you see so many new faces here. Like most of the people that come to these events, I've never seen at an event before, and then I do see at events after this. And it's like a really good starting point for them because there's no fear. It's focused on beginners, so they know they're not going to be the only one out there who doesn't know what they're doing. And it's really amazing to see people come out here and learn and get the drift bug, I guess. We're just out here setting up the little layouts on the skid pad. It's going to be two pretty simple like freestyle layouts, if you will. Setting up the oval. Adam's here, yay! He's Nicole's doing the learner's day.
And then we have Matt, and we have Constantine here too.
I'm so excited that Matt's driving. This is amazing.
Finally.
I'm gonna teach you things. I get to teach you. I'm instructing. It's just exciting.
Oh, I'm jealous. I want to help people.
I know. I'm so excited to do this. Like, I don't know. It's just gonna be really fun to try to help teach people. Shulman's reluctantly giving me a tour of his car. So it's obviously a S13 hatch.
It looked pretty before, but I got into a little accident.
Already?
Already.
Ah, SR T25.
Yep.
Looks clean though.
Yeah, it's clean swap.
Oh, it's got the nice. Oh, that's an eBay version, isn't it?
No.
Oh, it's a tile.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got a nice tile blow off valve. That's a good sign.
Yeah.
That's a good sign.
It was done really well. Everything's no exposed wires. Everything's nice. Coils.
Oh.
5-lug. What?
I'm just kidding.
I know.
5-lug.
Yep.
Why do you have S14 wheels in the front?
Because I haven't had a chance to change them yet. That's going on right now. Like in the next 5 minutes.
Okay.
We'll put a clip on it right now. Like
okay.
5 seconds.
All right. That's fine. That's fine. S14 seats, steering wheel with quick release. It's really clean. I like it. I'm stoked for you, buddy.
I'm stoked too.
I'm so excited.
I'm really excited. A little nervous, but excited.
You'll be fine.
All right. How many people have never driven a drift event in their life? Cool. I like that. So we're gonna start with some like basics, like down to the very basics right now. Starting with something that has nothing to do with actual physically driving at all, but seating position. You want to be able to make sure you're in a decent seating position so that it'll make drifting a lot easier. If you're sitting in your car and you have your, gangsta lean on, stuff like this, and your wheels out here, guess what? You're not going to be able to drive very well because you're out here trying to do everything. You don't have a lot of movement in your arms. You want your seat to be up so that when your back is against your seat, you want to rest your hand over the steering wheel, and the steering wheel should be about at your wrist. Try as hard as possible not to let your hands cross 12 and 6. If you're doing this, you'll notice, oh gosh, I can't steer anymore. Oh, I'm stuck. This is really good for road racing when you're just going around turns like this and you don't steer as much. Drifting, you use full lock to lock.
Thank you, Kelsey, for leading the classroom session. Again, these are all your instructors. Get to know them, find out who they are, get their name, what's their favorite color. Not really. But again, we're here to help you guys.
All right, driving is about to start. I'm really excited, honestly. Also, before I forget, new shirts. It's got the logo on the front, and then it says Garage Built on the back. I'm gonna see if I can show you. I don't know if you saw that, but that's my new shirt. So if you guys want to support me and the possibility of me going to Japan, because right now it's up in the air, with getting the truck and the trailer done and the Miata, it's like not seeming likely. But if we can get the merch sales up and stuff, maybe it's a possibility. So if you guys want to check that out, taylordrifts.com, link will be below. Thank you all to everyone who's supported me on there and on Patreon so far. You guys are amazing. You made a huge difference. Now to some drifting. Nicole is killing it. Hell yeah.
A lot better.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Good. So here's what I want you to do. Circle around that far one, then figure 8 to this one, then figure 8 to that one, then figure 8 to that
So
one.
start there.
Yep.
Donut. Figure 8. Around that.
Like, so figure 8 to this one, like go around it once or whatever you want to do.
Either
Then
way, just go that way.
to go across, figure 8 that back one, and then figure 8 to that one over there. So essentially you figure 8 between all of them.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, so that one, that one, that one,
Yep,
and then that one.
yep.
Okay, that's a big ass transition.
You got it. Transitions a little bit. You're
the long one got me a little bit.
Yeah, you're just, well, no, that was actually pretty good. Okay. You're just understeering a little bit mid-transition. Just a little too aggressive on the transition that time.
Oh, now too.
Yeah. Too much of like a hunk.
Yeah. Until we moved to Colorado, but now I'm gonna go visit him in Colorado. We used to call him Ingle Jizzle. I don't know, you just say hi. Hi, I'm Ingle Jizzle.
That's fire.
Looks like he's moving motor across that.
Oh yeah.
That was definitely.
Tyson's trying to inflate one of those like couch things, and it's not as easy as it looks. He got it though. That's pretty good.
Wasn't that bad?
That wasn't that bad. Hold on, let me just try it out real quick.
Yeah.
Oh god. Oh, this is nice.
That's pretty good, right?
All right, we were taking this Miata out just to see if there's anything wrong with it, so that he doesn't have a lot of issues trying to learn on a car that like might not be working properly. It's always nice to have somebody who knows how to drive and has some experience drive your car if you feel like something's wrong, because there may be something wrong with it. I drove an E36 one time and the like stability control kept kicking on and it was impossible to drift. But the kid wouldn't have known, and he would have spent like 2 events trying to learn how to drive on a car that was never gonna work. Some wheel hop.
Yeah.
Could really benefit from some shocks.
Some coils.
Yeah, just even like some cheap like Racelands would probably help, just because the wheels are like.
I think that they're blown out.
Yeah, and it's allowing it to hop so much.
Yeah.
And there's some sort of vibration that I'm trying to feel out. Let's see if I can feel it again. I don't know if it's just. It's doable. through it, but I think
Yeah.
it's just the shocks.
So it's probably just blown out shocks.
Yeah, 100% blown out shocks.
Yeah.
But just like kind of drive through it, ignore it.
Yep.
I don't think it's going to be
not
like
going to affect anything other,
Right.
other than hobbiness.
Yeah, which is annoying, but it's driftable for sure.
It's not something I have to be worried about that the rear end's going to come out. Or,
No. It's just the shocks since they're blown. It's just as soon as the wheel hops, it's got nothing to control the spring, just bouncing
it's
and
just
bouncing.
bouncing on itself.
Oh, you're good.
Good.
Yeah. Don't steer that far. Don't steer that far. Steer off. Steer off. All right, now give it some gas. Now let go of the wheel. You had it. You were getting there.
And just fluctuate the gas. And
Yeah,
hold
but once you get it, the wheel counter steered and catch the wheel, that's when you're gonna start modulating throttle. Full throttle. Let go of the wheel. You're holding the wheel just a little too long. So as soon as I say let go of the wheel, just let it go.
Okay.
There you go. So what's happening is you're turned too far to make the corner.
Yeah.
So by the time the car starts to kick out, the wheels can't counter steer because they're still turned left. So try to steer like only like maybe a full half turn in. Don't turn it like 2 turns in.
All the way in.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all the way in.
Yeah. So like here is the most you're gonna want to be turned in.
Okay.
Try a little clutch kick. So let's turn in, then that. Let's turn. Less clutch kick. You gotta clutch in and rev it up. So do that and then let go of the wheel.
Okay. So get it spinning.
Yeah, as soon as the tire starts spinning and the car starts to move, let go of the wheel. Too fast. Slow down. You don't have to go fast for a clutch kick, so go around. And then push the clutch in, rev it up, like whoop, and dump the clutch. Once you're moving, so like now. Rev it up, clutch in, rev, then dump the clutch. There you go. Alright, so that's the clutch kick.
Yeah.
Now we just got to get the handle on letting go of the wheel. So try it again. Steering a little less. There you go, right there. Now rev it up, dump the clutch. Let go of the wheel. Still holding on to the wheel.
Hold on to the wheel.
Yeah, you gotta let it go. Otherwise, you're just gonna loop. Let go of the wheel. See, that was almost it. Just a little bit late.
Okay.
Try it again. Clutch kick now. Harder clutch kick. Let go of the wheel. Oh. Where's that cone? I'll pick it up. Alright, let's give it one more shot and then we'll pull off and let the other guys go. So remember, clutch in, full rev, dump the clutch, let go of the wheel. There you go. That was close. Alright, let's pull off and you weren't though. You're getting there.
Yeah, I see what you're meaning about the clutch kick.
Yeah, you gotta really like clutch in, full rev, then dump the clutch.
Okay.
And then you have to let go of the wheel immediately. As soon as the car starts, like, so you're turning in, clutch in, full rev. You don't need to be full rev before you push the clutch in. So you can just be like, whoa, putting it.
Okay.
So clutch in, full throttle,
Okay, so just
dump the clutch, let go of the wheel, and then ease off the throttle.
Okay. So
And then that'll determine how much throttle you need to give
so
it.
clutch, you're in the turn, clutch down, right foot hit the floor,
Yep.
and then
Let go of the clutch.
Let go of the clutch and keep your right foot where it's at.
Yes, until the car gets sideways, let go of the wheel, let the wheel counter steer,
Yeah.
grab the wheel and ease off the throttle, and then use the throttle more or less to keep you sideways.
Okay.
And steering in will add angle, steering out will take it away.
Better to use larger circles.
So try to keep them tight, that way you don't get too out of shape if something happens.
Okay.
All right, no problem. I saw it.
He said he has an extra pump in the trailer that we can just
It might be worth trying, yeah.
Thank you, Taylor.
No problem. All right, I'm gonna take Shulman's car out just to show him a couple of little mistakes he's making as best I can. I don't know how well it'll help, but
No, it'll help me a lot. I learned my
I just want to show you like two things that you're doing and then how to do those two things properly. When you're going into this, you're steering into like here, and then it causes it to kick out really aggressively like that. So you don't want to steer in that far. You want to be like barely steered in like this. Let me show you again, because that wasn't a good example. You just want to steer in like essentially as little as possible, because the car is going to kick out. So like you can just kind of like give it a little nudge, like, and then let go immediately. Kind of give it a little flick. And then transition. You want to balance throttle. So like, you don't want to come all the way off. You want to just come off a little bit, and as you pull through, get back on it. Okay. So watch, like, just try to watch the transition. You'll see what I'm talking about. So I'm like half throttle right now. Then I'm gonna let off a little bit and get right back in it. So like half, let off a little, and right back in it.
That makes perfect sense.
So yeah, all you're doing is just you're giving it too much before the transition. So to transition, you have to let off so much, and that's just causing it to transition really fast.
Right. Okay, that makes perfect sense. Sweet.
So we'll try that after the break.
Yeah, gotcha.
Yep.
Pizza time. Pizza time. I'm looking for my piece of side skirt. Is that it? That's not it. I hit right here. Oh wow, that is steep. It's this whole thing. It's like a lip. But I hit it here. I have no idea the trajectory of where it would go flying. I would think it would go this way now. I found it. Oh my god. At least I can try to put it back together. Re-fiberglass it up. Oh yeah, that's the whole piece. We're good. We can just stitch that thing back together, fiberglass it back together, probably stitch it for now. Everybody is packing up and rolling out. Really fun day here at OSW. It was really cool getting to like teach some people some stuff and really just watching everyone progress. I'm not a great teacher, but seeing everyone progress was like super sick. Like some people started, they couldn't even let go of the wheel, and then they'd be killing donuts. And Shulman over here, killing the game, son. I'm so proud of you.
The whole oval, bro. I'm so stoked.
Dude, that's amazing.
I need time for tomorrow now.
I mean, you were already good when you started today, but you're much better now than when you started this morning.
I learned way more. I learned a lot.
Yeah, I'm really proud of you.
Thank you.
Good shit, buddy.
Yes.
With that, thank you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Tomorrow we're going to be doing drifting in the vet here. It's going to be a rowdy day. I hope to see you guys then. Okay, bye. Say bye.
Bye.